Alors ainsi to kusana ki mamuke déjà.
I know we continued a little already.
Mais eza na ba question misato eyaki
But there are 3 questions that came
par rapport à votre méthode kosolola.
according to what we were speaking of.
Donc question moko ezalaki boye
One question was this.
et que ndenge to parler concernant liwa pe résurrection.
The way we were speaking about death and resurrection.
Bongo bato ezaki banzoto na bango peut-être balia yango et que emona tesko.
What about those people whose bodies were eaten and they were never found? For them, how will it be?
Monsieur ezako nzoto na bango donc
Some of it is,
ba cannibal balia yango emona na
the
tesko.
cannibals ate their bodies and they were never seen. How would it be for them?
Alors nous sommes bongo résurrection kolekana Apocalypse chapitre 20.
What about the resurrection that will happen in Revelation chapter 20?
Likambo na bango eza ndenge nini?
How is their thing
Et puis
for those people?
question monsieur ezalaki
And the other question was this.
bongo sikoyo nozo parler concernant la mort.
The way you're speaking about death,
Bongo sikoyo vis-à-vis à enlèvement eza ndenge nini?
what about before the rupture? How is it?
Donc eza ba question mo ke to me répondre na ngoli ya Nzambe.
These are the questions that we'll try to respond to
Ndenge tozo sola.
while we're speaking.
Neto ba question ya pambe ezate.
There is no question that does not have
Question
reason.
ezanga tina ezate.
There's no question without reason.
Lorsque moto atuni question c'est que eza na
If
tina.
someone asks a question, there is a reason for
Parce que
it,
eza na posa moi lumière moko ya.
and they have need for a light.
Alors tolobaki boye liwa
And we said this death
ezaki conséquence ya lisumu
was a consequence of sin
oyaki tango Adam asumukaki.
that came when Adam sinned.
Totaki Adam akufaki na molimo
And we know that Adam died in
pe
spirit
akufaki na nzoto.
and in body.
Utawa nde sikoyo kufa ya nzoto ekangaki bato nyonso to.
At that time, death of the body was on all.
Alors ezanga moto moko akoki kolonga liwa te.
There was one person that cannot be victorious over
Puisque
death.
kolonga liwa esalamaka nde na nzela ya résurrection.
To be victorious over death, it happens through the resurrection.
Yango mpe ezotelisa biso boye.
That's what it's showing us.
Fale kaka ye moko oyo alobaki liloba wana
He himself who spoke those words
nde aya akokisa yango.
had to come and complete it.
Yango totangaki boye
That's why we read this
na
in
2 Timothée na
the
2
second book of
Timothée
Timothy.
eke Nzambe nde azalaki kino ntango Yesu ayaki na nzoto.
God was there when Jesus came in the flesh.
Azelaki tino Yesu ayaki na nzoto.
He waited until Jesus came in the
Afin
flesh.
que kwa na nzoto Yesu nde memeli biso lobiko
And when Jesus came in the flesh, it brought us salvation.
nde pe ye alongi liwa.
And he was victorious over
A
death.
rendre la mort impuissante.
And he made the death powerless.
Siko akomisaki yango impuissante ndenge
And
nini?
how did he make it powerless?
Par sa résurrection.
By his resurrection.
C'est ntango alongi liwa
When he was victorious over
liweza
death,
susu na bokonzi te.
death does not have
Yango moni
any
bazobenga
rule.
yango moni bazobenga Yesu lokola prémisse
That's why they're calling Jesus the firstborn
ya bato nyonso oyo bakufa.
on all those who died.
Yango lokola pe question ezalaki mpo na prémisse.
That's because the question was about the
Yango
firstborn.
baki tokoza pe ntango tokoparle mpo na prémisse.
We'll take time and we'll speak about the firstborn.
Donc c'est que bato oyo nyonso bazondimela Yesu.
All those that believe in Jesus,
Kolo azopesa bango bokonzi likolo ya liwa.
the Lord is giving them the rule over death.
Mais nabaki bayebaki moto bato bazokisala ndenge mutu azolingaki maliwa.
And some people are trying to run from death.
Ecclésiaste nabaki moto aza maître ya souffle na ye te.
Ecclesiastes said no one is the master of their own breath.
Ako memi ko retenir yango na kati ya mauvais jour.
Sorry.
Poko bakokanga yango.
So they can retain it one day.
Abizaka lokola mokolo ya bitumba.
It is like the day of a battle.
Moto kolonga yango azate.
No one will be victorious over it.
Moto nyonso na nzoto koleka na kati ya
Everyone in the flesh will pass through death.
omweke baoyo nzambe akusala ngolu nde tokoma na ntango ya levement bango nanu bakomi kofela te.
But those who God will do the grace when it comes to that time, they will not die, but we'll get to that.
Alors tolobaki boye
And we said this,
Yesu nde alongaki liwa
Jesus was victorious over death.
seke akufaki
That means he died,
ntango asekwi.
and when he was
Yango
resurrected.
Bible ezoloba boye
That's why the Bible is saying this,
liwa eza lisusu na bokonzi likolo na ye te.
death does not have any rule over him.
Yakabaki kolonga liwa enfin c'est la résurrection.
To be victorious over death is
Yango
resurrection.
moni ntango tokosekwa bato bakufa sadi mpona bango liwa ekozala susu.
So when we will rise up again, the time for death will not exist.
Tolobaki ba prophète bayaki
We said the prophet came,
bato ndenge bayaki
many different people
mais
came,
moko te akoki kolonga liwa.
but no one of them could be victorious over death.
Pourquoi Bible selon nde tokaki Hébreux chapitre 2
Because when we read Hebrews chapter 2,
oyo akolonga liwa
the one that will be victorious
eza
over
nde
death
mutu oyo mpe akolonga oyo aza na puissance ya la mort.
the one that will also be victorious over the one will have the power
Or
of
que
death.
selon Hébreux chapitre 2,
According to Hebrews chapter 2,
celui qui avait la puissance de la mort, c'était le diable.
whoever is powerful in death is the devil.
D'ailleurs, moi, ici, il fallait qu'il ne montre à quoi colonne Satan.
It had to be the one that would be victorious over Satan.
Néanmoins, tout le monde a dit qu'il y a prophétie à Genèse chapitre 3, verset 15.
And we said it's the prophecy of Genesis chapter 3 verse 15.
Et dedans,
And when Adam listened to his wife and he sinned, and when God began to speak, and when God came to the snake, that you will walk on your belly. And we said that serpent that God speaks about is not a physical serpent. Said that you will walk on your belly, and you will eat the dust from the ground.
That
dust is not the physical dust. If you follow a physical snake, it does not eat dust. To those who work in the zoo, and that serpent that God is speaking about, and I'll put enmity between you and the woman, and the descendants of you and the woman, and the prosperity of the woman, the descendants of the woman shall crush your head, and you will bite it at its heel. Sorry.
The head.
Head.
No,
Yes, by its heel.
Yeah. Donc, les serpents,
like you said, the serpent,
selon Apocalypse, le diable.
according to Revelations, is the devil.
Or, poussière, tolobaki,
And we said the dust,
c'est l'humanité.
say it's humanity.
Parce que l'homme est poussière.
Because man is dust.
God
God is saying to Adam, you are dust and you will return to the dust. And God gave Satan rule over everyone because of sin. Because man was made to rule. But because of sin, they were ruled. And God was saying it here when he said to the snake, you will eat the dust of the ground. That means Satan began to rule over people. But God, with his love, opened the branch for the salvation that he prepared. That's why he said this. He said the descendants of the woman will crush the head, and you will bite it at his heel. And we said the serpent is the devil. And the woman that shall step on it is Jesus himself. And he had to crush him. And he's victorious on the cross.
À la croix, Jésus a vaincu les principautés, les autorités. Et les a fait marcher en spectacle, en triomphant d'elle par la croix. Attends, ce qui va un spectacle.
That's why he put them through spectacles.
Alors, il va autorité.
And he was victorious
in domination.
Domination through the cross. He said Jesus will be the one that will be victorious over Satan. That's why we went back a little. There was a battle between Israel and the Philistines. And with the Philistines, there was a strong man named Goliath. He said, bring me out one person to fight me. And if he's victorious, we'll become your slaves. But if I'm victorious, you'll become our slaves. This battle did not happen on the mountain. It's happening at the bottom of the mountain, between the two mountains. And this person came down, and he's threatening Israel. Threatening Israel. He said, bring one person out. In Israel, there was no one. At that time, Saul was the king.
Mais parce que comme on a beaucoup Goliath.
But they're looking for a person who will fight Goliath. And there was no one. Saul, there were others.
Et puis,
there was a family. There was a father with his 3 children. And he sent them into battle. Even the presence of those 3 children, there was no deliverance. But in that family, the 4th child had to come. The 4th child comes, he brings the deliverance. That's why he said the number 4 is the number of deliverance. Because if the number 4 is complete, deliverance is given, and death will no longer be seen. And death will become life. Think about it well. Meshach and Abednego, there were 3 of them. They threw them into the pit of fire. They had to die. But joy for them, the 4th person arrived. And that 4th person, when he came, for them, it was David. You see, even your own family, we know how proud you are. What have you come to do here? They're here. We know your proudness. What have you come to do here? You see, David, when he got there, he did not come on his own. David, to come there, his father sent him. He said, go and look at your brothers, if they are in good health. And David did not come empty-handed. If God sends you, you say, God has sent me. God has sent them and you're waiting for the things they have nothing. God does not send anyone empty-handed. And this child the father was sent here, he's giving him food to eat. And take it to your brothers. And when he got there, and there was a battle, and his brothers were embarrassed because they were under the rule of their enemies. But who will take away this shame? He said, this pagan that is swearing at God, who is it? And the one that will strike him. David was, he said, the one that you see there, I will beat him. The person who will beat him, what will he give him? That's what Jesus went on the cross for. That means Jesus also asked, the person that will fight with Goliath, what would he receive? If it wasn't for that, he would not have left his glory. The one that will be victorious, what will he be given? The first thing, you receive a wife. And that wife, not a wife like yours. The child of the king. That means the child of the king, you do not receive her for free. The child of the king, for you to receive her, you must go into battle. You say, your brother, you like this woman, you don't want to marry her, you don't want to give her nothing. You do not take a woman for free. You do not take a woman for free. The one that will be victorious, what shall they give him? They will give him a wife. And they will bless the house of his father. Because of a woman. I'm single. He went into battle. It was for him to win. When he killed Goliath, that means he was victorious over everything and slavery. And we said Goliath is an image of Satan. David is an image of the Lord. Jesus. When they came to Saul, he said, there's a young man who's come here. He said he will strike Goliath. You know, the Bible has something. They came and they tell them. This is the child of Isaiah. Will you kill him? The king said, you see that person? He's been fighting long ago. Goliath and David. Goliath began fighting before David. They see that fight as the first fight. They think it's the first fight. He fought from long ago, but they did not know what they see there. David has already beat Goliath from long ago. They did not know that. And Saul did not know. He fought from long ago. And David began to explain to him. See, one day, I was looking after the sheep of my father. And when a lion came, he compared Goliath to the lion. He said, when the lion comes, and what the things he said, when the lion comes, or wolf, because Jesus came to save us, we were in the grips of Satan. And if he comes and takes the sheep, the first thing I should do, I will open its mouth, take out the lamb, and if he makes a mistake, that means there are fights in their fights. There are two fights. The first fight is take your lamb from the mouth of the wolf. It won't be a lion anymore. He wants to attack me. And at that time, I will finish it. That's why people say this. How can you say that Jesus was victorious over Satan, but Satan works for today? There are two fights. We're in the first fight. The second. All the songs, that we have not understand it, because not come at that time yet. You see what I did to the same time I was doing this it's not the first time already, now I'm doing it for you to see. Okay. I must give you my clothes. That means in the battle you're going like a king. If he fought like a king, he would not have fought. It was not a battle to fight like a king. Have you not read? Jesus in battle, David in battle with his Jesus with his disciples, and then a lot of people come. They came to Jesus like they're looking for a thief. Take him and kill him. The things that we see in Kinshasa, those are the things. When they came there, he asked them, who were they looking for? Oh, we're looking for Jesus. It's me. No one stand up. At that time, he was wearing Saul's clothes. And he's a king. Means he was a lion. He could not fight like a lion. But when he wore the clothes of Saul, he was not comfortable. He took it off. He took his thing and two stones. And when he was going into battle, Saul was really told, his name is David. His name is Isaiah. When he went into battle, David was lost. He asked them, Saul asked, who is the father of this child? They just explained it to you. That means the way he was not like that. He changed in baptism. So they told you, there he is, David. When he came down, he looked at him and said, the one that's going? Whose child is that? He said, King, I don't even know. But you said that he is the child of Messiah. And when he fought and he was victorious, and victory was given unto them, that means Jesus, in being victorious over Satan, through death, but when he had risen, he was victorious over death. But listen to one thing, because we're explaining death. To be victorious over death is only one way, not two ways. How does it happen? If you read in your Bible, take Psalms chapter 16. The first question. In that resurrection, how will it happen? You will be victorious over death, all of death.
Psaume chapitre 16, verset 8 à 10.
Verse 8 to 10.
David,
are you speaking David?
If you want to know
it's David, if you look at verse 1,
j'ai constamment l'Éternel sous mes yeux. Quand il est à ma droite, je ne chancelle pas.
I have set the Lord always before me, because he is my right hand, I shall not be moved.
Aussi mon cœur est dans la joie, mon esprit dans l'allégresse, et mon corps repose en sécurité.
Therefore my heart is glad, and my glory rejoices. My flesh also will rest in hope.
Je compte dans verset 10. Car tu ne livreras pas mon âme. Tu ne livreras pas mon âme au séjour des morts. Tu ne permettras pas que ton bien-aimé voie la donc c'est que Apollo.
For you will not leave my soul in Sheol, nor will you allow your Holy One to see corruption. David saying this to the Lord. Leave my soul in Hades. In Hades. You will not let me become corrupt. That means David is speaking concerning resurrection. You will not allow me to become corrupt, or my body to be rotten, although I will go to Hades. You will take me out again. If you read Psalms here, because you will not let me become corrupt. David speaking as if it's him, but it was not David. And Psalm 16 is the prophecy. It was not for David. It was for the true David.
Oh, le véritable David,
the true David.
Yes.
is Jesus.
For you to
understand, for you to understand that it wasn't for David, it was for Jesus. When Peter is preaching in Acts 2, he said, my brethren, let me give you, talk about let me tell you for David that said this, Lord, I see you before me. You will not let my soul be in eternal resting place. You will not let my body be right. But let me tell you, David that spoke to you, he's still in the grave. He said he was resurrected. David who spoke these things because he was a prophet. He did not speak about himself. That means David
la résurrection de Jésus.
The resurrection of Jesus. That Jesus will come, he will die, he will go to and come out. It is accomplishment.
Actes chapitre 2.
Acts chapter 2.
Actes chapitre 2. Verset 24.
Acts chapter 2 verse 24 to 31.
Acts chapitre 2 verset 24 à 31. Dieu l'a ressuscité en le délivrant des liens de la mort. Frère,
all those people who died first, no one that was victorious over death. The death of the body have ruled over them. The death that they call is the enemy. Something that trapped them. And had to release them. The death of the body trapped them.
Dieu l'a ressuscité en le délivrant des liens de la mort, parce qu'il n'est pas possible qu'il fût retenu par elle.
Whom God raised up, having loosened the pains of death, because it was not possible that he should be held by it.
Verset 25. David dit de lui, il dit de Nani, de lui, je voyais constamment le Seigneur devant moi, parce qu'il est à ma droite, afin que je ne sois pas
Apostle Paul begins to things that David said. For David says concerning him, I foresaw the Lord always before my face, for he is at my right hand, that I may not be shaken.
Aussi mon cœur est dans la joie, et ma langue est dans la détresse, et même ma chair reposera avec espérance.
Therefore my heart rejoiced and my tongue was glad. Moreover, my flesh also will rest in hope.
Ma chair reposera avec espérance. Verset 27. Car tu n'abandonneras pas mon âme dans les séjours.
Psalm 16. For you will not leave my soul in Hades.
Et tu permettras pas que ton sein voie la corruption.
Nor will you allow your corruption, nor will you allow your Holy One to see corruption.
Tu m'as fait connaître les sentiers de la vie, tu me rempliras de joie par ta présence.
You have made known to me the ways of life, you will make me full of joy in your presence.
Pierre a répété à nous David Psalm 16.
Peter is repeating what David said in Psalm 16. Listen to how he explains it to the Jews and preaches to them.
Oh mes frères, qu'il me soit permis de vous dire librement au sujet du patriarche David, qu'il est mort qu'il a été enseveli et que son sépulcre existe encore aujourd'hui parmi nous.
Men and brethren, let me speak freely to you of the patriarch David, that he is both dead and buried, and his tomb is with us to this day.
Comme il était prophète, c'est que prophète, hein? David. Comme il était prophète et qu'il savait que Dieu lui avait promis avec un serment de faire asseoir un de ses descendants sur son trône.
Therefore, being a prophet and knowing that God had sworn with an oath to him that of the fruit of his body, according to the flesh, he would raise up the Christ to sit on the throne.
Verset 31. C'est la résurrection du Christ qu'il avait prévu et annoncé en disant qu'il ne serait pas abandonné dans les séjours des morts et que sa chair ne verrait pas la c'est que Psaume 16.
Et ça qui pour David was not for David.
Psaume 16. C'était la prophétie pour nani? Pour Yesu Masiya. Ye oyakoya.
The one that will come, he will die, but he will be resurrected. Because before Jesus, there was no one who was victorious over death. He was victorious over death and its strength. Listen. I mean, if someone dies, their soul and body, speaking about the body, death of the body. Many people are troubled and they want to ruin others. Do not follow these things. Hell is this world. The joys and sorrow are here. If you die, everything dies and it's finished. And so the Bible says, be careful.
Les mauvaises compagnons corrompent les bonnes mœurs.
Bad spirits will corrupt the good.
Là-bas. Bien que Yesu
the Bible said Jesus died. The body. The body. That's what they put in the tomb. And his soul went to Hades. There is a reason for it. They bury the body. The body is put into a hole. But the soul goes to Hades. When Jesus died, he went to Hades because he had work to do there. Jesus died in flesh, but he was alive in spirit. His body died, but in his soul he did not die. Because the soul is what went to Hades. Why? There is a work that he went to do there. Before Jesus came, there were believers. There were prophets. Many of them died. But when they died, their bodies were buried. Where did their souls go? They went to Hades. And in Hades, before Jesus went there, the good people, the bad people, if they all died, all their souls go there. And Jesus knew because those people that were his died with the hope of being resurrected, he could not leave them in Hades with all those bad people. That's why I went there. I'll take you there. I'll explain to you the soul, because it's about the soul, the body and the soul. The soul, sometimes it goes to with a spiritual aspiration. The soul is your inner being, it's your inner conscience. It's in your form. Let me give you an example. I don't understand. I had a dream. I met with my mother. You slept here. How did you see your mother? And with what body? How do you know that's your mom? How do you know that? There is a message. There is a message within it. But what body did you see? Body, you see, I know that's the spirit or your soul is in your form. If you look in your Bible, I'll come to it. The good people and the bad people, their souls before they died, they used to go to Hades. If you get to first book of Samuel, chapter 28, when God rejected Saul, and Saul began to pray to God, to look for the prophets, and God did not respond to him. There is a place, a woman that calls on people who are dead, and that woman calls on people who are dead. At that time, Samuel had already died. And people knew that Samuel had died. And Samuel, before he died, he knew how he was. He got old. And he used to wear the skin of the animal. Everybody knew him like that. And Saul disguised himself and went to that woman. And that woman did not know it was Saul. And when he entered, and there's something that I must tell you, because I want some good. But you must invoke someone who died to come out. And the person who's speaking here is the prophet of God. So I'll tell you someone to come out. And that physically, Samuel was already dead. They buried him. And that woman said, why are you looking for prophets? If Saul hears these things, if Saul hears these things, he will kill me. And those who call on dead spirits will be killed. He said, I know that no bad thing will come upon you. Right. Who do you want me to bring out? Bring me out Samuel. And the woman, Samuel died in the flesh. They buried him. Bring out Samuel. And Samuel came out. And what body did he come out? Because the body they buried him. And Samuel came. And when that woman saw Samuel came out and said, oh, you're Saul. Here there is a mystery here. How someone is resurrected, you receive the revelation that he's hidden behind clothes. I know you're Saul. Here he said, the match is turned. He said the tables are turned. But then we don't turn again. And listen to the woman's language. You are Saul. And Saul said, who did you see? I seen someone with a beard, an old man. I know, oh, it's Samuel. And listen to the woman. I see God coming out. That means the person who is resurrecting there is not longer a person. So I can see God being resurrected. I've said it like that for time, but read it in your Bible. Go. That's why we give the verses. Go. And read chapter 28. I see someone coming out with godliness. And when Samuel came out, and listen to his words, Saul, why have you bothered me? That means that he is dead. With what body? That That means it's 2 Samuels, where they buried the body, and the soul that went to Hades came. But the soul was in the image of Samuel. Because Samuel knew that he was dead. Saul, why have you troubled me? Why have you bothered me? And I was at peace. And you died. Where were you at peace? Do you understand it? You died, but you were at peace where? He was talking about his body. Because he's a servant of God, his soul was resting. That's why we say, if you die, you don't believe in Jesus, even if they call the pastors and they put a big cross, and they said that your soul rest in peace, that will not make your soul rest in peace. To rest in peace, you must have the spirit of resurrection. And that is Jesus within you. Said, why have you bothered me? He said, I've looked for God is not speaking. I've looked for these people. God is not speaking to anyone. And there are a lot of pains. I told you these things, Saul. That's why it's coming to you. He said, you and your children, tomorrow, you will come to where I am. Said, you and your children, you will go into battle, you will die, and you will come and join me. And when he said those things, he went back to Hades. And if Saul and his children die, although these bodies will be buried, but their souls will go to Hades. And then why I'm taking you there, sorry. That means we have the soul and the body. That means that Jesus went to Hades. Even in Matthew, he said it. Like Jonas spent 3 days and 3 nights in the belly of the fish. So will the Son of Man. If you ask Jonas, read Jonas chapter 2. Jonas is the belly of the fish. He's calling it Hades. Jonah chapter 2. The belly of a fish. He's calling it Hades. Comme Jonas, il avait fait 3 jours dans le séjour, the way Jonas did 3 days and 3 nights. Moi aussi, je le ferai dans les cieux de la terre. I also will be in the earth. That means Jesus went to Hades. But in Hades, he did not go to the body. His soul. That means. C'est que la mort spirituelle, that means a spiritual death. It is when someone's soul separates with God. L'âme qui pêche, c'est celle qui mourra. Donc, what will do? Sorry? No, the soul that will sin is what will die. Yeah. That is what is death of the soul. But death of the body, it is the separation between the soul and the body. If the soul is removed from the body, the body is left. Is a dead body. That's why Brother James says this. La foi sans les œuvres est une foi morte. C'est comme un corps sans âme. Et ça fait corps body with no soul. It's a dead body. What is death? The soul separates with the body. Oui, ils sera différent, ils sera malin pendant pour makambo. Namo ba témoignage za la kwesu ngabiso. Nabini Jacques hein.
Jacques chapitre 2 verset 26 qu'on attend. Thomas, donc Jacques chapitre 2 verset 26.
James chapter 2 verse 26.
Et puis comment les sous sur 1 roi chapitre 17.
And the first book of Kings chapter 17.
1 roi chapitre 17. C'est là l'impression de prendre le verset. 1 roi chapitre 17. Verset 21 à 23.
Verse 21 to 23.
Jacques chapitre 2 verset 26.
James chapter 2 verse 26.
Et puis 1 roi chapitre 17.
And first book of Kings chapter 17.
Verset 21 à 23.
Verse 21 to 23.
Comme le corps sans âme est mort, de même la foi sans les œuvres est morte. Chapter 2 verse 26. James 26.
For as the body without the spirit is dead, so faith without works is also dead.
Spirit. Chapitre 17. Nasi, tu as plus solo chapitre 17.
Et ça, the story of 1 Kings chapter 17.
L'isolo ya nani? Ya Eli.
Of Elijah.
Verset 21. Et il s'étendit 3 fois sur l'enfant. Donc, en ce temps, mon akufa qui va, tu as vu ça? Maman a mis Eli, non, mon anda kunaye. Et puis, mon a dit, Abel a kufi.
His house and that child died.
Ce que tant Abel a kufi.
When he died,
the
Son of God came to intervene.
Mais
listen to what happens when someone dies in the flesh.
So
we talk about the separation of the body and the soul. The soul goes back into the body, then that person is alive. Verse 21.
Il s'étendit 3 fois sur l'enfant, invoqua l'Éternel et dit, Éternel mon Dieu, je t'en prie, que l'âme de cet enfant revienne. C'est que l'âme est là qui dit.
What did he do? The soul came out and the child died.
C'est que ce qui âme est zongi.
And if the soul comes back, the child is revived.
Il s'étendit 3 fois sur l'enfant, invoqua l'Éternel et dit, l'Éternel mon Dieu, je t'en prie, que l'âme de cet enfant revienne au-dedans de lui.
And he stretched himself out, the child, 3 times, and cried out to the Lord and said, O Lord, my God, I pray, let this child's soul come back to him.
Verset 22. L'Éternel écouta la voix d'Élie, et l'âme de l'enfant fait quoi? Revint au-dedans de lui, et il fut rendu à la vie.
Then the Lord heard the voice of Elijah, and the soul of the child came back to him, and he revived.
Élie prit l'enfant, le descendit de la chambre haute dans la maison et le donna à sa mère et lui dit, voici ton fils est vivant.
And Elijah took the child, brought him down from the upper room into the house, and gave him to his mother. And Elijah said, see, your son lives. So you see this, if death of the body, if someone dies in the flesh, what happens? The body is separated with the soul. The body is buried. Or the body can be eaten by animals. Or they can burn it. And there will people be that were burned. They can kill the body in different forms. It is not the end of all things. That means the soul has come out. Their inner being has come out. If someone dies, the body is left behind, and the soul goes somewhere. And the soul is your being. If someone is your person is their soul, and in all the environments that they will dwell, God will make them a body appropriate to their environment. That's why God made us these bodies, so we can dwell in this earth. That's why Paul says this in 2 Corinthians. If the bodies that we have, the houses that we have in this world are ruined, we are in a house. That means you are the inner being. If the inner being comes out, this is just the house. That means if someone dies, the person that they cry for, it is like a part of the earth. The soul goes somewhere else. It goes to Hades. It is a language that the Bible uses, that Jews used in the Old Covenant. All that die go to Hades. You see, at a time, Solomon with his wisdom, you see someone is, they're being proud, and they say, why will I pray? To pray, what shall I look for? I'm good, I have a good job, I have many houses in Kinshasa, I'm driving a good car. Go and pray. You do not know yourself yet. You do not know yourself yet. See, Solomon with all his wisdom, when he looked at all his vanity, when he looked at man, said he looked at man. I looked at the animal, I did not see a difference. The way that the animal dies is the way that man dies. Animal dies, their body rots and becomes dust, and man dies, and their body rots and turns into dust. So, brothers and sisters, do not be proud for things of the world. We did not come to God for marriage. That's why you see someone dies. We did not go with marriage. All the things we take for this body will stay here. I haven't seen anyone build houses, but when they die, they say because they have 10, put 2 in there. To show you that everything that we receive from this body, it is to stay there. That's why Job said this, when his children said died, when the animals died, I came to the world empty-handed, and I will go in. And God has given to me. That means he came empty-handed. He said, when I came in the flesh, he gave me marriage, he gave me children, and he gave me livestock. Because the time has come, he took those things. Do not be proud because of the body. It is just dust. Dress it, feed it, because the soul rests within it. Go to more proud than you. I can't wear this clothes But on that day, those clothes that they will put on you argue. Why are you so proud? So the Bible says, joy to those who die within Jesus. For us, it's not the end of all things.
Donc c'est que ceux qui m'ont accoufi, bateau sont dans un séjour de mort.
Those all who go into the Hades.
That's
why when Jesus died as well, he went to Hades. And when he went to Hades, there are things that happen there. When Jesus resurrected, Jesus did not move on his own. That's why the prophet died with hope. Even the good people, the bad people, all of them, their soul went to Hades. But the difference is what?
Tous les prophètes,
all the prophets,
et les justes de l'ancienne alliance,
and the righteous,
ils mouraient avec l'espérance.
They died with hope.
They
died with hope that one day the Messiah will come. And the one that will come to save them, and he will die and be resurrected. Take someone like Job.
Je sais que mon Rédempteur est vivant. Il s'élèvera le dernier. Alors, attention, tu n'as pas eu à il croyait à la résurrection.
He believed in the resurrection. Even if I die today, I will see God one day. Pagans do not die. Pagan dies so finished. He's lost.
C'est ça la différence.
I'll come to it. Even Revelation 20. When Jesus went to Hades, he separated. It became two places. It became a place for good people and bad people. Jesus is the one that separated it.
You
know, God, Jesus is a master of time and circumstances. He could take things that will happen tomorrow and start speaking of them today to show them today. But there are things that will happen tomorrow. Why have I said that? When Jesus was in the flesh, he's already speaking about these things, but people did not understand. He said it in parables. He's already explaining the things that he came to do. And when he will die, and the time he will go to Hades, and how his death and resurrection will change things in Hades. And how those who believe in him, if he dies, their souls will go, when they die, their souls will go somewhere else. And those who will not believe in God, theirs will go somewhere else too. That's why in the language of the Bible, do not be afraid. We'll get to it. You see one, when Jesus does his work, it's almost like he takes them up to heaven, the good people. And the bad people, like they stay in the place that is inferior. But they were in the same place. It's almost like those went up and those were left. Ephesians chapter 4.
Avant la version parabole, on a chapitre 4. Peut-être toujours ceux qui m'ont tourné aller dans souka, aux a na commis tata aux a na droit ya retourner question là. Ephésiens chapitre 4, Jean verset 8 à 10.
Et puis, comment les sous proverbes, hein? Chapitre 15.
Ephesians chapter 4, verse 8 to 10.
Et puis, plutôt, Proverbes chapitre 15, verset 24.
Proverbs chapter 15, verse 24.
La Bible liboso est chapitre 4, verset 8 à 10. Et puis, ami parler Proverbes chapitre 15, verset 24. Tout le monde a dans Proverbes chapitre 24. Il y a une Bible solo. Pour les sages, c'est la Bible qui est le sage. Sage, à Zamutoyo, à Zoka, à Nemi Marbanzambe, toi, à Zamutozo toi, ça, Mutozo Banzambe, pas ça, les à Watana Misala. Donc, en bref, Mutozo n'a crainte en Zambé. Mutozo en Zambé, Mutozo Tambra en Zambé. En bref, pour les sages, les sentiers de la vie mènent où? On dit là, pour les sages, les sentiers de la vie mènent où? En haut. Afin qu'ils se détournent de quoi? De ce jour des morts qui est où? Parce que c'est que bateau m'a fait bâtir la canacée. Hein?
It's almost like the bad people.
Or que c'est pas que n'a pas vu. Naliko. But that's like a Mongoliko. Proverbs chapter 15, verse 24. Proverbs.
Chapter 15, verse 24. Yeah, okay. The way of life winds upward for the wise, that he may turn away from hell below. That means some are going up. In heaven, eat bread.
Bazangi kondima bakozala na pasie ezaka makambo lokutate.
It is not lies.
Oyemi na mokilia.
You see in the world, even if you don't pray, they think you die, you go rest. Caucasians.
Souffrance
say there's too much suffering, there's too much pain.
It's better to kill myself so I can have a rest. Oh, d'abord mi bomi. Nzambe d'abord ali ngamoto. Ozo sona Yesu te. Yama mona ka bango pola mindele za bango. Soki passe leki. Manamu to nani ko mananga.
Too much pain. It's better for them to just kill themselves.
Mais ko permettre na bobi toi na jeune moko star anglaise o ati ko mi goma.
You know, a young
woman. Ya 40 ans boy. Oyo ataki atu présenter mission ce qui y a Love Island.
Young woman that used to present the show.
Même baby.
And when
no pressure
got the pressure, she doesn't take the pressure and she kills herself. It's the way for if there's too much pain, for me to leave that pain, let me go and kill myself. But where will you rest? Where will you rest? Ephesians chapter 4, verse 8.
C'est pourquoi il est dit, étant monté à haut, il a mené quoi? Des camps. C'est que tant que son matin, son matin, captif. Il dit voilà c'est qui? C'est Jésus, hein? Donc c'est que tant que son matin, à son même abord aussi là captif. Non, malin. C'est pourquoi il est dit, étant monté en haut, il a mené des captifs. Il a fait des dons aux hommes.
Therefore he says, when he ascended on high, he led captivity captive and gave gifts to men.
Or, qu'est-ce que signifie il est monté? Sinon, qu'il est aussi descendu où? Dans les régions
inférieure de la. C'est qu'avant il soit matalikolo, Akita qui n'a eu le ma raison inférieure de la terre, dans les séjours des morts. Si on t'a dit qu'il a après ça qu'il dit, Amataki.
And then he went up.
Il a aussi amené quoi? Des captifs.
He took the captives. Now this, he ascended, what does it mean? But that he also first descended into the lower parts of the earth.
Celui qui est descendu, c'est le même aussi, plutôt c'est le même qui est monté au-dessus de tous les cieux afin de remplir toutes choses.
He who descended is also the one that ascended far above the heavens, that he might fill all things.
Luc chapitre 16.
Luke chapter 16.
Luc chapitre 16. Donc, on dit, comment est passé
body dies, how separation happens.
Donc, Luc chapitre 16.
Luke chapter 16.
I think
we know the story.
Verset 19 à 31.
Starts from verse 19 to 31.
But
we won't read all of it.
La Bible, chapitre 16, verset 19 à 31.
You know these things?
It's a parable
that Jesus is giving.
Why
is Jesus giving this parable? There are many things in it. Jesus is saying this. There was land, a rich man, and that rich man, they did not give us his name. They did not give us the name of the rich man. That means the revelation gives his name. You must understand, firstly, it's a parable. It's a rich man in that land. And there was also a poor man. But the joy for the poor man, he said, a pagan is someone who's without a name. This is how we're burning, but we're on fire, but we're not burning. The rich man was not given a name. But the poor man was called Lazarus.
Oh, qu'est-ce que signifie Lazare?
What signification is Lazarus?
Celui que Dieu vient en aide.
The one that God has helped. The
one
that they're coming to help. That means he has a helper, but he does not. But he's rich. I think you understand. They're both the same world, but one is rich and one is poor. These things hide a lot of things. This rich man, he dressed well in royal clothes, wore robes and eat on the table, and eat good. But Lazarus, the poor man, suffered. Lazarus and his poverty, he had wounds on his body. He's poor, and he had wounds, and he was a feeder of the dogs. For the dogs to eat, they had to go to where Lazarus was. They looked for his wounds. You are poor, and how are you feeding the dogs? You see, some people see it as disgusting. They're the things of the kingdom of God. That means the dogs, they must go to the ruins of Lazarus. That is their food. If Lazarus is not there, the dogs cannot eat. Do you know what dogs we're speaking about? Came to Jesus. Lord, save my child. The things of the children, they do not give to the dogs. Who is the children? Who are the children and who are the dogs? I'm not speaking about these dogs. The things that belong to the children, you do not give to the dogs. But Lord, I know this. What falls from the table, those are what the dogs eat. What are crumbs? If there is a whole bread, there is no crumbs. If you want the crumbs to fall, you must break bread. Those crumbs are, there's broken crumbs. So the wounds of Lazarus. What falls on the table is what. I look at Israel, there is no belief like this. Woman, your belief has saved your son. There's no faith. That means the dogs are the nation.
C'est par ces meurtrissures. Vous comprenez ce qu'il y a? C'est Israël.
When he's rejoicing Israel, God gave them the kingdom. That's why in Matthew chapter 22,
les royaumes vous seront enlevés.
They ate at the table. Ask David and Paul. And that table was the law of Moses when they ate 4 times. Do you not read Psalm?
Je ne manquerai de rien.
You have a table before me.
La table, ça sert à faire quoi? À manger.
To eat.
C'est Israël.
That is Israel.
Mais côté on a tout quand on a
that part we'll keep for later. This rich man, Lazarus had someone who was coming to his aid. That's why when Lazarus went to his, the person that you love has come, he's died. The Bible is very clear. Both of them were in the world. But when they died, the Bible used 2 different languages. When Lazarus died, and the Bible said the angels came to get him. And the angels came to get his body. What body did he bury in the cemetery? What angels come to get? When a child of God dies,
cortège, merci maman. Cortège est à la cap. Is that cortège y a ba ange? Tala bise ngwande ngo. Babi tama kofi boye.
When he died,
ba ange ba ye ko soye.
The angels came to get him.
Ba memi malembe. Sina tolo ya nani?
To the chest of Abraham. Abraham already died long time ago. What is Abraham doing here? Look at the joy of God in Jesus.
Verset 22.
Verse 22
à 23.
to 23. Luke chapter 16.
Les pauvres moururent et plutôt les pauvres moururent et il fut porté par qui? Des anges dans les serres d'Abraham. Les riches moururent, on lui a porté par des anges. Non, les riches moururent aussi et il fut
So it was that the beggar died. One is going up, one is going down. So it was that the beggar died and was carried by the angels to Abraham's bosom, and the rich man also died and was buried.
Dans le séjour des morts, il leva les yeux. Attends-moi, il est il leva les yeux. Et tandis qu'il était en tourment. Ah! C'est que ceux qui battent
when people die, Jesus separated a rich man. He went to a place of torment, of trouble. Do not say
son âme ne sera jamais, mais il sera tourmenté.
It will be tormented.
That's why Jesus already prepared us to say, je vous donnerai quoi?
And I will give you.
Vous trouverez le repos de vos âmes.
I will give you rest of your
Oh,
souls.
si tu veux le repos, ça me tombe dans les biais sur ma scie. C'est que ceux qui prennent un coup,
the Lord and I die.
je n'irai pas dans les liens de tourment.
I will not go to
Parce que je n'ai pas laissé le repos.
Because
C'est que j'irai dans les liens de repos.
I'll go to
Est-ce que vous comprenez, gars? C'est que ma âme qui est dans les liens de tourment,
the souls that will go to Lazarus will go to a place,
the
resting place. They could at the bosom of Abraham.
Dans les séjours des morts, il leva les yeux, tandis qu'il était en proie au tourment. Il vit de loin Abraham et Lazare dans.
And being in the torments in Hades, he lifted up his eyes and saw Abraham afar off, and Lazarus in his bosom.
Et là qu'on a séparé la version examinée.
What I'm happy with this verse is, so the rich man went to the place of torment.
Donc c'est que kuna kimia
and there is no peace.
Frère, pela nanga, ma sœur. Lien de tourment ezana no li felote.
Torment is not yet hell.
Mais eza vango.
But it's a taste of it.
Mais Lazare, qui est pauvre,
Lazarus
en tant que de repos.
Is going to a resting place.
Les saints. La nana benade, babi les saints d'Abraham.
He said,
les saints d'Abraham.
Said that.
Ok, Abraham oyo.
Abraham.
Pas comme Abraham, azaki no liboso nani? Abraham.
Abraham to become.
C'est que comment changeaki?
He was Abraham, and the name changed. There's a reason for it. That's why you see. Abraham means the father lifted.
Tandis que Abraham,
but Abraham,
le père de multitude,
is the father of multitude.
The
father that was on his own, he becomes the father of many. The one that was on his own, become many. To see this, the day that Abraham, and his name was changed. He's becoming Abraham. It was the day that he was circumcised. If your name changes, it is the day of circumcision. That's why the Lord gave the law. If a boy is born on the 8th day, the day that you circumcise him is the day that he receives his name. So the day say what after he was circumcised, they asked his father. Here Abraham, when he was circumcised, and he becomes the father of many. Abraham is an image of the true Abraham. Is our Savior Jesus. He was on his own.
Said if a grain is on its own, it will not bring forth many. But if you sow it, and it goes, enters on its own, but when it comes out, it becomes many. It speaks of death. If you look at circumcision, it is an image of death. When someone is separated with the body, it is an image of the cross where Jesus died. That means the place of rest is the place that God has prepared. Those who do not have the love of God, when they die, their souls go to Hades. And those of God, the good people of God, when they die, their souls go to the resting place. To the Why are they calling it a place reserved for the good? If you look at the chest, not all people sleep there. Chest is a place of security. A place of rest. It's a place of consolation. When he's in torment, he is consoled.
Verset 25.
Let's take verse 25.
24 et 25.
24 and 25.
Il s'écria, Père Abraham, aie pitié de moi. Envoie Lazare pour qu'il trempe les bouts de son doigt dans l'eau et il me rafraîchisse la langue. Car je souffre cruellement dans cette terre.
He's not suffering in the body, but his soul is tormented.
Verset 25. Abraham répondit, mon enfant, souviens-toi que tu as reçu tes biens pendant ta vie et que Lazare a eu les mots pendant l'ancien. Maintenant, il est ici. Ici, Wabi, dans les serres d'Abraham. Pour faire quoi? Pour être consolé. Il eut les mots pendant l'ancien. Maintenant, il est ainsi consolé. Et toi, tu souffres. Pourquoi les gens souffrir?
This one is suffering.
Mais on les a consolés.
And he's consoled.
Azana repos.
He's resting.
Et puis, azana sécurité.
And he has security.
That's
why you see this. Those who are here, they're waiting for the rupture. And those who are here, they don't wait for the rupture. In the rupture, they will not be resurrected. They wait for the last judgment. I'll get to there slowly. Those are in the waiting room. They're waiting room, waiting for the rupture. But they will be there until the last judgment. But they are on the bosom of Abraham. That's why Jesus on the cross, he's crucified with two thieves. One said this thing, if you are the Son of God, save yourself and save us. And another say, you do not fear God. You and I deserve this. But he has done nothing wrong. He said to
quand tu viendras dans ton règne, il croyait que Jésus était le roi.
He knew that he was a king.
Qu'un jour il viendra avec son royaume.
And he said,
on dit, souviens-toi de moi dans ton règne.
He said, think of me when you reign. He said, I'll give you a taste. But Jesus said to me, I'll give you a taste. 3 of us are dying today. 3 of us are dying today. But because he does not believe, sorrow for him. For you, because you believe in Jesus will not leave you. So because he does not believe,
Frère, t'as la Bible bien quoi?
Read your
T'as la
Bible.
bien. Toko fanzela moko.
So we're dying at the same time.
Basoto lolenge moko. Mais ngana ye. Toka bwanela kaka.
We separate here.
Mais toi,
but you,
aujourd'hui,
from today,
tu seras avec moi dans le paradis.
you will be with me in paradise.
Donc c'est que na parti non na mokili.
As
Attends na
far as
kofa
the
na oti
world,
côté.
even if I die, I will not leave you.
Yato baka totika makambo. Ngape na tangu na
Let's read this
nazalaka.
thing. When I
Soki na
was,
osambela.
when I'm
Biso
praying,
ya bole no kenda wapi.
the bodies are falling.
Soki pena na soki na oteya.
I was,
Patu
when I
ba
was
osimba
preaching,
ngabole no kenda
people
wapi. On est que
falling.
notre
Where have you
Dieu,
gone?
il est le même.
But
Hier,
God is the same
aujourd'hui
today,
et pour toujours.
tomorrow, and always.
Si vous avez demandé, c'est que ça va dire que
That means God has left you.
Nzamba azalaka te. Azanza vo azali.
He
Pas azala seko na
is,
seko.
and He will
Yango
continue
biso
to
par
be.
exemple, eza poto te. Si
God is
Dieu
not
avait
being in
donné
Europe.
des révélations en Afrique,
If God gives you
même ils sont dans
revelation in
Europe.
Africa,
Si
even
Dieu
if
te
you're
fait
in Europe,
rêve, tu prêcheras toujours des révélations.
God
Eza poto te
continue
frère.
to give you revelations. It's not Europe.
Paul lelo bandima komona ba complexe bate ya
Today,
poto,
the
bate ya Afrique. Ça va comment tu vas Afrique ailleurs?
Complexed about the
Merci.
preachers.
C'est lui qui s'en appelle là. Merci. Osons veiller peut-être. Thank you. Et ça fait qui te frère?
It is not
Et ça
Africa.
n'est pas cause de la Nzambe.
It is a thing of being with God.
Donc il sait qu'aujourd'hui même, tu
It's only
seras
today
avec moi où? Dans
you
le
will be with
paradis.
me in paradise.
Non, 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 tous les paradis qu'on t'a dans la Bible,
All the paradise you will read
il
in
a
the Bible,
directement au compte Nzambe.
it does not mean the kingdom of God.
Donc, la première local là, les sœurs d'Abraham.
It is like the bosoms of Abraham.
C'est-à-dire les liens oyo basantu bazokende
Place that
ah
the believers are going to
pour entendre l'enlèvement.
wait for the rapture.
Tika toto sa tango,
Let's respect the time.
tika toto sa président.
The president,
Ndenge Yesu baneko ba oza mato ya koyoka,
where Jesus said, God has ears to hear, let them hear.
mais libonde ni nange za ete
But my prayer is this,
tika te na nzela ya lilendisi oyo,
that everyone through this strengthening
tika te na nzela ya toli oyo yo,
and advice,
Nzamba sala moko na bisongolo,
that God do each and every one of the
ete
grace
liloboye bulisa moko na moko,
and the words strengthen each and every
liloboye
one
peto la moko na moko.
and purify,
Leo Yesu machine topesa mitema na biso pa ya
to
Nzambe.
give our hearts to God.
Kwebete soki ataliwa ya nzote ko ya lelo.
Even if death in the flesh should come today,
Ba am na biso ko keni dans le lieu de repos
our souls will go in the place
pour
of
entendre
rest,
l'enlèvement.
to wait for the rapture.
Ya pour lelo comprendre boyete
For you to understand this,
soki muto akufi na nzote zamba
if
kamesa.
someone dies in the flesh, there's something, things that happen.
Nzamba izalesi ko Nzamba se okipa kamingi na am.
God looks after the soul.
Pona nzoto abu
For the body,
poko pona nzoto ya tozonga nzoto tokotika
the body we
tokotika na
shall
ko
leave it.
récupérer ngo lisusu
We
te.
will no longer go back to it.
To récupérer ngo sute.
We won't go back
Nzoto
to it.
kotika la wana. Et
What
tika
will
ni
be
libela.
left there,
Donc
left there
Dieu
forever.
ne se souciera plus de ce corps là. Si tu as essayé.
The need for it is finished. It is just about the soul.
Est-ce que vous comprenez gars?
Think you understand?
Donc quand on a besoin de makasi bosu
God,
tele biso pe na
God,
prière
Strengthen us in prayer.
afin
Help
que
us in
dimanche na
prayer.
bola nzambe tozala na
Sunday, by the
continuer.
grace of God, we can be there to continue.
Mais la vie avant na pesa banance
Before I give the announcements,
kanga misu to soutenir bande
close
ko
our
biso.
eyes so we can